In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Global Footprint Network website. For this assignment, the first thing you're going to need to do is access the Global Footprint Network, which you can do by clicking on this link. And that will open up a map. And this is where you're going to find all of your data. Before you start, you're going to want to make sure you understand what these 5 terms here mean, because the questions will reference them. And you can click on this glossary link here, and there's definitions for each of those terms there. You don't need to turn in the definitions, but you want to make sure that you understand what those terms mean. Then you're going to access this assignment. And the way this works here is you're going to use the Global Footprint Network site to answer the questions. So, for example, this first question asks, which 4 countries have the largest total ecological footprint? And then it tells you the color the map should be if you've collected the right type of data. So if we go back to the map, you can see there's 5 different types of data that are available here. The ecological deficit reserve, and if you scroll down, you can see the countries with the reserve and the countries with the deficit. The total ecological footprint, this is the orange color that the question was referring to. And then the ecological footprint per person. So if you take all the people in that country and divide it into the resources used, that'll give the ecological footprint per person. And then total biocapacity and also biocapacity per person. So for the questions, you're going to either need to look at the map and scroll down. You may need to click on a particular country. Let's say that there's a question about Brazil. If you click on it, you'll get an image like this that'll show you a graph of, say, biocapacity, deficit, and then the red bar here is ecological footprint per person. You'll also see the population of the country over time changes, and the GDP, or gross domestic product, per person changes over time in that upper corner there. And that's how you use the Global Footprint Network website, and that's what you'll be using to answer the questions in this activity in Canvas.